How can you search for the Apple Watch apps on the App Store? Now, let me show you all that you really need to know about it and how it currently works. Let's get started. If you're new to Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so when it comes to like the App Store on iPhone, there are some categories, but it's not like the most comprehensive thing, but let me just show it to you anyway. Inside of the App Store, you go to the apps at the bottom, and at the top of the list, you can see a bunch of different categories. Like I can go to, the books, sports, Safari extensions, and so on, right? Because if I just keep on scrolling down, it's just for, the iPhone apps. However, at the top in here, you can scroll through the different categories, and eventually you're going to get to the Apple Watch apps. So you can get there like this. And this is a section when only the Apple Watch apps are available. So, a couple of like random workouts, the Apple Watch essentials, and that kind of stuff, which you might be interested in. So, I mean, it might be useful. There are some productivity, travel apps, and that kind of stuff. But, it's not really the thing that you might be interested in. So that's something that you can look up, but not every single thing is going to be here. So the way I like to use it is either look up something into the search, like for example, I'm going to type in like notes, but I will always type in the Apple Watch behind it, right? So it should filter the applications which are available for the Apple Watch. For example, right, it's going to show me the Microsoft OneNote. And I always pay attention to the platforms. And you can see in the preview, we have that it's available for iPhone, iPad, the Apple Vision Pro, but also on the Apple Watch, right? So it always makes sense to look for something and always add like the Apple Watch keyword at the end. So it will filter out the results that way. So that is how I like to look up apps for the Apple Watch. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for the next tutorials and upcoming videos, and I'm going to talk to you later in those. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.